I am on my way to help somebody clean a K8, which I have never cleaned before. But I know it's easy because the instructions are right on the K8 panel. So let's go help them clean a K8. Okay, so you see the little icons?
Yes.
We want to go to settings and we want to go down to e-cleaning. Cleaning instructions, yes. So cleaning instructions, pour 2 packets of the cleaning powder into the cleaning tank and fill with 400 milliliters of water and mix thoroughly. Do you know how much 400 milliliters of water is? Me either. But because I don't know the metric system very well. And I don't think there's 400, so we're going to pour 2 of these little packets in here and then at least do halfway. Unless you can come up with...
We have the little measuring thing. I saw it somewhere.
Do you have a little measuring? Because we clean in 400 milliliters of water.
What is 400 milliliters of water?
Oh, smart. She's using her phone to find out.
Well, let's see if we get the answer.
So we have 2 packets in here. And mix thoroughly. So after we find out how many 400 ounces is, we'll put that in here, mix it, and then we just take this tank out. Just set it to the side.
13 ounces?
13 and a half ounces.
So that's like a cup and a half.
Okay.
So 8 ounces is in a cup, so another 4,
Here's a half
that's
cup.
12. Okay, so we're just gonna get regular water, it's fine. And this is a half a cup.
Yeah.
So there's 1 cup and a half. So
You're saying that's 12 ounces?
basically, look, so that you don't have to ever measure, just notice that it's right above the top of the C, and you never have to worry about it again. Okay, so let's put the lid in.
You already put a packet.
And by the way, this is my first time cleaning a K8, so everybody can do this for the first time. I don't have a K8. My daughter does. They didn't have K8s when I got my machine. So you just mix it thoroughly, and then make sure this is tight so it doesn't leak. Okay, it's nice and snug. Pop it in there. Now it says, please insert the cleaning tank. Okay. Please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. This is important because you do not want to ruin your filter. If you forget to take your filter out, it will be ruined because it'll have all this cleaning stuff in your filter. So we'll just slide this over this direction, lift it up, pull out like this. I'm going to make sure, see my 2 black O-rings? They got stuck in here. So I'm getting out the 2 black O-rings, and then I just set this to the side, and here's the stopper. It has its own 2 black O-rings, so we don't need to have double or then it will leak. Okay, then you put the stopper in here like this, and then put this thing back on. Wow, okay. Please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. Okay. Please put in the cap on the secondary hose. So here's the cap, and here's the secondary hose. Right? This is where your drain comes out. Okay. Please start to begin cleaning. That's it. Now I'm going to push start, and then it's hopefully you got some water because it's going to be 3 hours before you're done. So hopefully you're not thirsty. So 5, 6, 7, quarter to 8, you're done. So start, and it'll actually there's a timer on it, and it will tell you when it's all done cleaning, and then you're good to go. Then it'll tell you the next step. It'll tell you to flush, but I won't be here. But just read on the thing how it tells you to flush. Any questions?
Okay.
And does it keep going to tell you how to put everything back together?
Yeah, it'll probably.
Okay.
But if not, you take this out, stick this in, take this out, stick that in, and you're all good.